Today we are going over a complete deck rebuild and roof restoration through an insurance claim. This roof was completely paid by the homeowner's insurance due to wind damage to the roof from recent storms in the area. We had to completely redeck the entire deck due to it not being up to International Building Code requirements. We installed a complete lifetime roofing system from GAF. We also installed a beautiful Williamsburg slate color shingles with new 5-inch white seamless gutter system with strap hangers. The best thing is that the homeowner only had to pay his deductible and got a brand new roofing system. Contact Top Tier Exteriors for a free inspection on your roof, gutters, and siding. We offer top-notch workmanship and install quality products.